Warm and safe greetings. Hi, I am Shreya Mishra from BPKIHS. First of all, let me begin by confessing that it's a very unfortunate situation for the mankind that we need to discuss about restoration of ecosystem. We are given a very beautiful home to live on, the planet Earth, but we have exploited it so much that now the nature has started taking revenge, and we have to discuss various ways and means through which we can restore our ecosystem back to its original form. Now coming to the topic ecosystem restoration, the framework for my speech is composed of four parts: introduction, causes and effect of ecosystem degradation, preventive measures and initiative taken up with regard to ecological restoration, and finally benefits of ecosystem restoration and conclusion. It was back in the year 1935 the word ecosystem was first used and coined by ecologist Sir Arthur G. Tansley, who defined ecosystem as a biological assemblage interacting with its associated physical environment and located in a specific place. It consists of two major components, biotic and non-biotic components, and restoration is the action of returning something to a former condition. The whole series of Earth is a series of connected ecosystem. Ecosystem restoration can be looked up into two parts: recovery of ecosystem that have been degraded or destroyed, and conserving the ecosystem that are still intact. As far as the causes of ecological degradation are concerned, one of the major causes is deforestation. Nowadays, towns and cities are getting converted into concrete jungle, leaving few green species. It is said that concrete is the second most consumed product on earth, but we must not forget that concrete production is one of the major causes for greenhouse gases emissions. As we all know, Amazon rainforest is considered as the lungs of the world. In the first 7 months of 2020, more than 13,000 square kilometers of Amazon rainforest, which is more than the 8 times the size of London, was burned due to wildlife. Human activity threatens all this rainforest ecosystem in the Amazon. I think we have forgotten when a forest is lost, it is gone forever. Recovery may occur, but not 100% recovery is possible. Every year we read news about plastic wastes getting deposited in sea, which is affecting marine ecosystem in a significant way, which is quite disturbing. When we look at the effects that ecological degradation is causing, it is just the trailer we are witnessing right now. The picture is yet to start and the worst is yet to come, if we fall to act wisely and responsibly and respect our Mother Earth. Every year we complain about longer and hotter summer and reduced and very cold winter. These all are effect of ecological degradation. This year, Arctic sea ice cover shrank to the second lowest extent since modern record keeping began in the late 1970s. Now, getting to know causes of ecological degradation for which human beings are major contributors, it is the responsibility of all of us to think of its preventive measures. We live in a generation where pollution of environment is a new normal. Side effect of industrialization and development are ecological imbalance and environmental degradation. Ecological restoration is the need of our. In this regard, United Nations Environmental Programme and Food and Agriculture Organization have launched an initiative called the Champion for 1 Trillion Trees platform. The goal of it to plant 1 trillion trees up to 2030 in addition to already existing 3 trillion trees on planet. Similarly, Isha Foundation, which was Rally for River, to plant 242 crore trees to revitalize Camry River in India. If we move towards the benefits, ecosystem restoration helps in balancing the global carbon by absorbing carbon dioxide from atmosphere and plays a key role in the global water cycle and establishing global climate and rainfall. It is our only home, our planet, where living organisms can survive. People even planning to live in Mars in nearby future. Exploring life on Mars is still a long way to go. So who knows, we will be alive till that day or not. So ecosystem restoration is our responsibility, which should be done not just for us but for the generation to come. Through this platform of PSRN Club, I would like to thank the organizers for choosing such a wonderful topic for discussion and urge everyone to participate in this novel work of ecological restoration before it's too late. Thank you very much.